hat. Oh my days. Definitely won't be wearing that.
It's day 12, and that means 12 bits of letter. Plus, I'm still beating you lot on pieces picked up, so I'm going to pick up as many again as I can. Because I think that's the challenge now. The challenge now is to beat you lot to 1,000,000. So, yeah, let's see if we can do it. Let's get picking.
This is a hat. Oh my days. Definitely won't be wearing that.
The thing I'm finding is so windy today. It's so difficult with this little bag. Yeah, it's so windy today and it's really hard with this little bag. 3, 4. It's absolute light work. Light work. Little receipt. 2 brownies.